All right, guys, we're gonna start this video in just a second, but Seth's gotta go take a pee first, so stand by. Seth has had a wee, so we can start the video. If you didn't see my video that went out on the main channel where I bought my mum her dream diamond Rolex, well, I came and picked it up here, which is at Seth's avocado farm. Seth said that he had some avocados to taste. I do love a good avocado, so we're gonna taste them.
This is a collection. I'm basically a collector, just like people collect watches.
Yeah.
I collect different types of avocados. Every single tree is a different breed of avocado.
With avocado trees, when you say there's different breeds, what makes them different?
Not everyone knows and realizes that when you take a seed of an avocado and you plant it, you are not going to get an identical avocado as to the one that you planted. So the only way to actually get an identical avocado is to do what's called grafting. That's where you take the tip of the mother tree.
Just the tip?
And yeah, just the tip. You graft it onto the rootstock.
Is that where you like splice it and
Yes.
then like put it in and then wrap it up? And
Yeah.
That's crazy you can do that, isn't it?
So I can show you some of those. I have them right
wild.
here.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
But so these are all avocados that I've been collecting from all over the either Hawaii or Florida or California. So I'm trying to basically collect as many different mother trees as possible.
And Seth was telling me that he's built all of this by hand. So everything you see here that's been excavated out of the side of the mountain, no diggers, no JCBs, just Seth and your stepfather, right? Well, sorry, father-in-law.
Correct. You want to see, this is an example
Ah.
of the grafting. This is where we spliced. We did this about 3 weeks ago, so we're waiting for them to start growing.
So this is what grew out of the seed?
No, this is what's called a scion wood.
Okay.
So this is from a mature avocado tree that has a very good fruit.
Okay.
It's called MacArthur.
Okay.
So we're splicing MacArthur onto a rootstock,
Mm.
trying to basically create a MacArthur tree.
And how long does it take to grow a avocado seed into this size of rootstock?
So this rootstock is probably something like 4 years, 5 years old.
Wow, so this is not something that you do overnight. Like,
No,
this
no,
is
no.
multiple years.
I've been working on this project for 10 years.
What do you have more of, watches or avocado trees?
Right now I have more avocado trees. Can you see over here? There's some fruit. Where are they? Oh, there they are.
Don't scare them off.
Oh,
Don't scare them off. Oh, there it is. Shh. Don't make a loud noise. Oh, yeah. Wow.
Hanging fruit.
And so how many fruit would you get from a tree like this?
Well, this tree is small, so this tree is probably only gonna get me like about 10 fruit. This small tree.
In 1 year?
1 year, yeah.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, but once they hit like, the bigger size, you could get like 100 to 200 fruit on one tree.
Wow, okay.
Just takes time. This is a Haas tree. This is the most famous.
Yeah, Haas avocados,
So everybody knows Haas. So I got one Haas. You can see what they look like.
Yeah. Oh, I thought you meant you had one fruit. This whole bush, one fruit.
No, meaning like.
Okay, one Haas tree.
I have
Yeah.
One Haas tree.
Okay, so you got tons then.
So I have 67 other trees, and I have one Haas.
Okay,
Yeah, and these are ripe. I have one of these right downstairs.
nice. And you were saying to me earlier that when you have a fruit, it has to be picked and then ripened off the tree before you can eat it.
Yeah. It's never edible once you pick it.
Yeah, I always feel like supermarkets dupe you because they'll have stickers on them that say ripe, and then you touch them and they're rock hard.
So that's the thing. Right now, when you buy most avocados at the supermarket, they're from Mexico.
Mm-hmm.
And what they're doing is they pick them and then they freeze them in a refrigerator until they're ready to export them to the United States. And those type of avocados that got frozen previously, they go bad really fast.
Okay, got
But when you just have an avocado that you purely pick from a tree and it's never been frozen, you let it ripen on your shelf for like a 7 to 10 days.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna stay ripe for a long time without all those black spots.
That's good to know.
So that's the problem with freezing avocados.
Interesting, okay. And what?
We have some beehive over here.
Oh, bees?
Yeah, you wanna see them?
Yeah.
You like bees, right?
Yeah. Mate, I love all animals.
So this is some water for them, and this is their
awesome.
hive. So we have these. We have these primarily for pollinating, but they also produce honey. This avocado is delicious.
Okay.
It's not the normal. I mean, there's something special about this tree. I love this tree. So this is a unique avocado that I'm growing.
This is your favorite?
Yeah, for sure.
Is this a Seth secret? You can't tell us what this is?
Well, I call it a Grossman avocado.
Okay.
You'll see the flavor.
I'm excited
when
to try
when I cut it open for you.
Oh yeah, and if you didn't see the video, this is the watch that I just bought for my mum. So check out the main channel and you'll see me give this to my mum for her birthday.
By the way, this is my dream come true.
Right?
I can talk about my two loves, watches and avocados.
Hopefully your wife doesn't watch this video.
So even though right now I'm growing 68 different types of avocados right now, they're not all ripe. I pulled some about a week ago and now they're ready. So the first avocado I'd like you to taste is this one. It's a little small, but it's called Fuerte. Now, Fuerte used to be the biggest commercially grown avocado in California before Haas took over. It is delicious. So how do you want to do this?
Can you feed me?
Sure.
Perfect.
I can feed you. Do you eat avocado? I mean,
Dude, I love avocado.
You love
Are you
avocado.
kidding
Okay.
me?
This tastes like butter.
Okay. All right, let's see.
Fuerte.
Holy shit, could you not give me a small piece of it on camera? Oh my god.
That doesn't taste like the normal avocado, correct?
Oh my god. Holy shit. That is...
Yeah.
Dude, I don't think I've ever tasted an avocado like that. Like
Wow.
creamy and...
Yeah. It's like butter. That's why this was the most popular avocado back in the day, but the problem is they're not as economically viable as Haas. Haas are a little bit bigger, and then their skin is tougher.
Okay, so
you can ship them better. So this is a Haas. This is a Haas that I grow.
God, that is so good.
Yeah. People love Fuerte. I love it too. It is delicious. But this is a Haas, and this will probably be tasting similar to like what you're used to.
Okay. Let's see. There's a... Yeah, I mean, it's still... like, it tastes so much different to store-bought. This is kind of like a brighter... that's the best way to describe it. Like a brighter, sort of lighter flavor. Almost... I don't want to say it's got like a tang to it, but it hits you on like the side of the tongue.
They're both good.
They're both good, but that first one was unreal.
So now, the third one I'm going to show you is called Zutano. That is a Mexican avocado. They're much bigger. Feel this. Feel the weight of this avocado.
Oh wow. Yeah. But the skin is almost like a cucumber.
It's different. It's a smooth
compared
skin.
to like a Haas avocado, which is like coarse,
bumpy.
Yeah. That just feels like a cucumber. Want to try some?
Yeah, dogs love avocado.
What do you think? No? Not this one? Oh wow. That's a lot of meat.
Zutano. Yep. A lot of meat. Big seeds. All right, try the Zutano.
Right.
Tell me what you think.
Let's see. Wow, that's like very light, kind of almost like watery. It's got like a much more juice than the other ones.
Well, watery is
not in a bad way.
It's normally when you say watery with avocados, that is a bad thing.
I am not a professional avocado taster. Please do not take any of the wording that I use for whatever.
It's low in oil content. It's what it is.
Is that what it is?
But it's still very good.
It is.
But yet you just tried a delicious Fuerte and a Haas that right behind a Zutano.
When I say watery, I don't mean watery in a bad way. I mean watery like the other two were rich and creamy. This one is like lighter. Like I can imagine this one in like a salad with cucumber and tomatoes.
Or a smoothie.
Yeah,
so Zutanos are great.
Let me get in a little bit more on that.
Try that. Good. You know, avocados are really basically the healthiest fruit you can eat. It's hard to find anything that's more healthy than avocado. And they're delicious.
Oh my god, dude. And these have all grown right here.
Oh yeah. These are all my avocados.
That is unbelievable.
So this is my avocado.
This is the Grossman.
I call this the Grossman,
Okay.
because I grew this from seed and it's delicious. It really is delicious.
Avocado, whenever I have it with anything, I always feel like I want to add salt, pepper, hot sauce, whatever.
Yeah.
None of these.
Yeah.
None of these need that.
A little bit of lemon.
Oh really?
is nice. Yeah, with any of these. Yeah.
I've never had lemon with avocado.
Sure. Well, guacamole has lemon.
I mean, yeah.
Lemon and lime.
Right, for sure. He loves you.
One more piece.
Look at that. He's hanging by you more than he is by me.
He knows I'm a dog guy. He can tell.
Oh my god, dude. That is insane. Bring me out some more of whatever's left. I'll eat more. That is delicious.
You're going to love this. That's probably the best one, I think, to be honest with you.
That,
Can you tell the difference?
oh yeah.
The Fuerte is something else.
It's so good. Like, guys, I know it's hard to explain how good something tastes, but it's like, it's got that avocado flavor, but it's creamy.
Yeah.
Like you said, like buttery.
Yeah.
There's like no aftertaste. It's just, guys, you really should be here. In fact, you should go to Seth's shop because this is what you serve in the shop, right?
Correct. Exactly right.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. See, people need to know about this. People need to know that they're not just going to get some basic avocado toast. They're going to get Seth's avocados.
Exactly right. Yeah, we're doing our best. We're doing our best.
I've got to come in there for some avocado toast.
Please.
Yeah.
It's right across the street from the shop.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, we should definitely do that. Hope you enjoyed this. Just a little fun one. I bet you didn't expect to see Rolexes, Seth, me, Diesel, this rainforest and avocado tasting in one video, but you did. So yeah, go and give Seth a follow. I'll link all of his socials. I mean, you only really have your watch social, don't you? You don't have an avocado social.
I do have an avocado social.
I stand corrected. I will link Seth's avocado and watch socials below. Go and give him a follow. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much, buddy. Thank you for also getting me that. You went above and beyond, so that's awesome. I can't wait.
I'm glad you're
If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's on the main channel. And yeah, go and give this guy a holler if you need avocados or Rolexes or anything in between. He'll probably be able to hook you up. Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. All right, guys, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, do all the things, go over to the main channel, enjoy yourselves, and most importantly, remember, don't do anything I wouldn't do. See ya.